Hey everyone, I'm Christy. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about 5 different passive income streams that you can start today with $0. Now the great thing about passive income is instead of trading your time for money, you're basically making an upfront investment of your time and creating value for people that can then extend over a longer period of time, which will then pay you as time goes on. Let's jump right into it. The first stream of passive income that I would recommend is selling a digital product. So this could be anything from an ebook or a tutorial, a guide. It can also be a printable, for instance, wall art. You can sell like a digital file that people can print out and frame and put in their home. Other examples would be online courses. So if you have a specific skill that you want to share with people, creating an online course can be a good option. Also Lightroom presets, which are basically photo filters. Some of the things that are great about selling digital products is obviously they're stored on a computer or on the internet as opposed to needing to be stored physically in a warehouse, so you don't have to deal with any kind of inventory issues. Secondly, you don't have to worry about sending them out. Basically, when someone purchases your digital product, they just download it or they get a specific link and they have access to it usually right away. They're also, for the most part, pretty risk-free to create. You're basically just investing your time in creating the product as opposed to having to spend money on raw materials and things like that. So it's really kind of a risk-free investment. As far as platforms to sell your digital products on, I would recommend Etsy because it's virtually free. You pay, I think, 20 cents per listing, and then they take a small amount of commission for each sale that you make. Others, which I personally use, are Shopify, and they have a free 30-day trial, which I'll link in the description below. Another platform I can recommend is Squarespace, which is basically an all-in-one platform where you can have your blog, you can have an online shop, and it's super user-friendly, and I believe they also have a free trial, which I will also link down in the description below. The second is to sell stock photos, and this is great because if you're a photographer and you have photos just sitting on your hard drives not being used, you may as well upload them to stock photo sites where then they become available for sale, and every time someone purchases your photo, you make a commission. I personally use Adobe Stock, and I know you can also use Shutterstock. There are several other platforms, which I will also include in the links below. Number 3, which is similar to number 2, is selling stock video footage. This is basically the same process as selling stock photos, but you do make a little bit more money selling videos. Another great thing about selling stock video footage is since there's less of it out there, it's in higher demand, and so you actually don't need to have a professional camera in order to sell your stock footage. If you have a newer iPhone or a newer phone that takes good quality videos, usually you can upload those as long as they abide by their quality standards, and you can make money on those. Number 4 is start a YouTube channel. Now this isn't something that you're gonna monetize from the very beginning. It does take time and a lot of effort in order to monetize. You need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers before you are eligible to start monetizing your videos. But once you are, basically you get paid based on ad revenue for your videos. And so the more videos that you have up over time, the more watch hours you're going to get and the more income you have the potential to make. Number 5 is affiliate marketing. This is basically where you recommend products or services to other people, and basically how it works is companies will either give you a specific link that is linked to your account, or maybe you'll get a coupon code that you can then offer your viewers, followers, anyone who you're promoting it to, and you will make a commission every time they hit that link and purchase something. So for instance, Amazon has a great affiliate program. So if you want to recommend, say you're a health blogger and you want to recommend a new blender that you bought on Amazon, you can go ahead and link that blender in a blog post, and then every time someone clicks on that blender, if they make a purchase on Amazon within 24 hours of clicking your link, doesn't matter if it's the blender, it can literally be anything on Amazon, you will make a percentage of their purchase. This is a great way to create passive income because once these links are out there, it's basically just evergreen content. So those are 5 of the passive income streams that I have personally set up for myself, and I think that they have some of the lowest barriers to entry, and as long as you're willing to put in the time and the effort up front, you have the potential to really earn a lot of money. It's all just kind of what you put into it is what you get out. It's not easy, otherwise everyone would be doing it, but I think creating these passive income sources now is something that is going to offer you a lot of value in the future. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, write me in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video and also subscribe for more content. Catch you later.